So, a warm welcome to you all. We will be underway very shortly, once all the pleasantries are complete. My name's Peter Drury, and here's my co-commentator for the game, it's Jim Beglin.
Well, thanks for that, Peter. I'm more than ready to get going here.
As players and supporters stand for the national anthems. Here are the lineups we've just been given. And that gets things running. Played out to the right. Got a shot away! Passes it through. Clears it out of harm's way. Gets it into the middle. Oh, he's hit the bar! And the whistle's gone, presumably for offside.
Yeah, the cross was decent, but probably should have been dealt with.
Tries a through ball. Could try cutting inside here. He's slid it through. They've scored! With time and space aplenty, he was never going to miss.
It's almost criminal to see a defence fail to identify someone who thrives when it comes to shooting stats. They knew, and yet they didn't heed, and they've paid the price and deserve to.
Broken, it's 1-0.
Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do.
Looks to slip it through. Face to face with the keeper. Really well taken goal. And already they're looking to run away with it. Really outwitted one-on-one. Once more, he gets the better of the keeper.
Yeah, he always had the measure of the keeper, and there was very little doubt as to how this was going to end up.
Looks like a good ball through. He's gone for it! They are rampant! And the lead is 3! It is surely done! Finishing doesn't come simpler than that. Bang in front of goal.
Well, considering he has a bit of a shoot-on-sight policy, he was the one player that should have been picked up then. It was both careless and costly.
Having a stroll. Now the pass. That intervention was very necessary. Sticks in a foot to win it back. Did well to step in there. That was more than necessary. Good running with the ball. Can they build on it? Can he put it away? In it goes! And they are disappearing out of sight. Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
Now that's what I call finishing, right in the corner. He knew instinctively.
Won't get through. The first half is done.
Well, I would think this one is possibly over as a contest. They know they've already reached cruise control, and it's a case of the right...
That's the start of another 45 minutes. Goes long and forward. He's off on a marauding run. Shooting chance! Yes, it's in! Well, surely that completes the demolition, if it hadn't occurred already.
It's part of the game, Peter. It has to get ruthless. Sympathy just doesn't play a part.
4 in the game. He... There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change.
They're actually not getting too tight, which is interesting.
No.
It's probably cautionary. Don't dive in, try to pinch it or intercept so nobody can get in behind.
Tries a through ball. Looks to slip it through. Now here's the through ball. A chance! It's a brilliant interception. Loose ball, who's going to get that? Looks like a good ball through. How about it? It's a goal! And still they continue with the onslaught.
Well, I think we've gone past humiliation now. This could be doing some real psychological damage.
He's made it 2, and where to from here? Now the pass. He's away! Shoots! And that's wide.
Well, there's no messing about with this fella, is there?
Plays it long. Drills one in. Hits it first time! Good clearance now. Can they make something of it? Chip through. And through to the goalkeeper. Lobs it in gently. And he's on his way! He's had a go! Oh, taken with style! This is as ruthless as it gets.
Listen, when you're on an invitation to improve your goal difference, why ease off?
He's made it 3. Quite a day at the office for him.
Oh, this has been an immense contribution from one player. He's
a man waiting to come on.
I think you have to admire his willingness to keep plugging away, but the manager has done him a big favour, I think, by taking him off. You know, he was looking very, very leggy.
Brings it forward. Some good work on the right flank. Now, what's next? He's gone for it! Gets good distance on it. Tries a through ball. Goes for goal! Danger averted for now. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. Has a shot! And he's there to hoof it away. Time. Passes it through. Chance to shoot. Driving on now. What can they conjure from here? And that is it. The referee has seen enough. A great day for attacking football. The artists have painted their pretty pictures. Only one.
This outfit is the cohesion and the willingness to work hard as a unit and getting behind the ball. Doing the ugly stuff, that's what gets you clean sheets and wins.